my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Silver 254, man. Tuning in for another one. As y'all know, we switched up the interior on the box Chevy. You know what I'm saying? So got a new steering wheel. But before we reveal it, I'm gonna show you what we had working with outside. So basically, this is what we was looking like. So wood wheel is in there. I mean, don't get me wrong, everybody loves a wood wheel, but it seems to be clashing. Sticks out, sore thumb, all that good shit. So what we gonna do, or what we've already done, is pretty much got us a replacement. But I wanted to show y'all what we was working with currently before I showed y'all what we was doing. No solicitors, okay? All right, so back to the package. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, show you what we got. All right, so abracadabra. 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 So we got that brushed in aluminum. This is from Forever Steering Wheels. Forever Sharp. Actually, yeah. Is that the name? Yeah, Forever Sharp. Forever Sharp steering wheels. So got our new steering wheel there. It's beautiful. Got the wrap on there. Got the little, grip it like that. Originally, I was gonna try to find like a different steering wheel that was like match my hot rock wheels or something like that, but it was getting too pricey. And yeah. So we decided to go ahead and rock with that one. So this one has the button. Open up the button. And then in this box here is going to be some additional screws and wires. And this is like a little adapter piece. This part will bolt onto the, I guess, a column, or push down onto the column, and then from there, this piece here, I guess, let's get a rinky dude. Hose gonna line up right there. And boom. like a different size. We'll figure it out before we get in there. All the way in there. And this part here. Anything, this stuff don't be coming with instructions. It's usually pretty simple to figure out. I know ultimately this is gonna go like this. Yeah, so more than likely it'll go something like that. Yeah, because these are the threads. These are the threads for the bottom, and then that goes over that like that. Everything lines up and bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. And then you mount your wheel on there like that. You in the game. So you know what comes next.